What are we unboxing today? Bam Bam number 5, Warren Park Miners baseball squad that won the championships.
We are going to be unboxing my baseball glove for next year for my baseball.
For next season, right? And it's Bradley Next Level Series baseball gloves. All right, and this is his prize for being such a good kid with sticking it out baseball. Right, Bam Bam? Okay. Man, you're like panicking. Let's see what we have here. There's the unboxing. Okay, we got the paperwork. And what do we have? What's that?
How to properly break in and
You want to show it to the people on YouTube, on your YouTube channel?
how to properly break in and maintain and store your Bradley glove.
Okay, so we'll check that out later after the unboxing. Alright, and it looks like it came nicely packed. Let's see, it has a nice bag. Has the Bradley card for let's see, let's show the Bradley. Could you stop moving it? Let's see. Bradley baseball. Okay, cool. Alright. It has a nice bag. The bag looks pretty good.
Yeah.
That's it. Bradley baseball. Okay. Oh man. Look at all this. Whoa, they sent some extra stuff too. Okay. Alright, let's see. That is nice. That is really, really a nice glove. Got that tan leather with the navy stitching,
Navy blue.
navy blue stitching. Yeah, actually goldish kind of stitching.
Yeah.
Yeah. The inside looks real good, nice and deep, right? Oh, this is a 11.5. So let's see. Let's look at the 11.5 here. Maybe we should flip it over. Let's take a look. Let's show the people a little bit better. Let's see. So we have this 11.5 inches. Bradley, very good quality. It looks very. Smells delicious. Nice leather. Next level. Navy blue. Yeah, I got a huge hand, so mine is not going in there. But you guys could get the gist of it here. It looks pretty good. Next level. Nice stitching. Got the goldish Bradley. And why did we choose this one, Mama? Because we saw some good reviews that this is good for young players coming up in the game.
Yeah.
We're gonna go with some other fancier models, but we chose to give this a shot. This is a come up from our like $40 glove that we got like at Target, and we'll see how that works, and that'll be another video.
And
what did they bring? Oh, okay. So they gave you kind of like a nice. It's a band to hold it together.
It's a band to break it in.
Oh, okay. So that's a nice little plus.
And it shows you how to. You could also put the oil.
Oh yeah, the oil. So yeah, we gotta purchase that because that didn't come in the box. Basically, that's it for the box there. So it's the bag. Could we show the bag again? The bag looks good.
Bag.
Yeah, so that's a nice place to keep it at. Okay.
Storing.
Yeah, for storing.
Yeah.
And we have the band to show the full band. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Very nice. It has a Velcro. It's a good quality band. Thank you so much for the extra little things you send there.
And
But back to the glove. I mean, what do you think of it?
I think it's a pretty good glove.
Yeah, it looks
It's nice.
It looks good. That's it.
We'll also do another video of breaking the
Breaking
glove
the glove in. You
Yeah.
want to do that? Okay. So we'll do another video of breaking the glove in, and we'll check back. We'll do an update to see how it's coming about. Change the game. Bradley. Nice stitching. Yeah, I wish I had one of these, to be honest with you. It feels good. It feels good. It looks like it's very, very good quality. And hopefully it stands up to the reviews from the other parents. I was gonna go with like some really, really, really fancy stitched, but I think he's just pretty new to the game. This is his second year and already won championship with his squad, with his team. Let's see how it looks in the hand. Yeah, it's supposed to stick out a little bit from what I've been researching. We've always been baseball fans, but we're kind of newbies to the whole team thing. So we're researching, and hopefully we get better with practice. He had a little slump right during the season, but then after a little talk, we said that we want to play like Javi Baez, who likes to have fun, and that's what they started doing. They started having fun, and they started winning, and they won everything towards the end. Scored run after the pitchers were on point, the runs were good, and hopefully with this nice Bradley glove, next level series, 11.5, we'll be able to advance next year as well. Right, Mom?
Yep.
I'm number 5, my little Puerto Rican, Brazilian, Salvadoran little baseball player. Yeah, so, all right, anything else you want to add before we go? How does it feel in your hand there? Maybe you want to compare to the other glove you had.
Yeah, it's definitely hard right now, but when you break it in, it will probably get like softer and more squeezable.
More usable? Okay.
But for now, like it's like when you first get it, it's pretty hard.
But how does it feel on the hand? How about the inside?
It's actually like where your pinky is, it kind of hurts, but like all in all, it's actually a pretty good glove.
Okay. So you think maybe once we get a little bit more
stretched out,
a little bit more stretched out and used to it, we're gonna throw the ball around a lot this summer. But and hopefully we'll be able to add that in the update, how it's feeling, maybe like in a month, you think?
Yeah.
Okay, like in a month we'll check back.
Maybe.
Check back and hopefully we'll break it in a little bit more. Anything else before we go?
No.
No, that's about it. All right, we're reporting from beautiful Leon Beach, Rogers Park, Chicago. And it's a beautiful day in the city, and storms are coming, so we're out. Thank you everybody for tuning in. All right.